Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a Discord server. So I'm going to show you some steps. So first of all, on the home screen, navigate to the dashboard. Click the green plus button on the left side. Next, choose the start a blank template or use a preset. For this tutorial, we'll start with a blank. Tap on this create my own. Choose if it's for a club community or for friends. In this case, we'll click for me and my friends. Give your server a name and click on this create. And second option is inviting your friends. To invite friends to your server, click invite your friends. Discord will provide a link to your server that you can copy and send to anyone you want to invite. You can let this link stay active forever or set it to expire after 1 day. And after this, you have to make a voice or text channel. To create a text channel, click the plus button next to text channels. Then you can name your channel. Here you can also decide between text and voice chat. And then just tap on this create channel. And after this, you have to create a category. To create a category for our server, navigate to the channels tab on the left and right click on it. Select create category. Categories are a way to further customize the permissions on specific channels. So again, you have to name a category, and after this you have to create some roles for your channel. Roles are permission levels you can grant to distinguish members, admins, moderators and more. Click the server's name at the top left of the screen and select server settings. Select roles from the list of options on the left. At the top left, click the plus button next to roles to create a new role. We'll call this role admin. From here, we can choose what abilities we want these roles to allow. Make sure to save changes before navigating away or assigning a role, and then check this box, and then you can check this, toggle this on to give this newly created role to a member. Right click their username in your server and select roles from the menu. Then check the box next to your new role, and that's it. So that's how you can make a Discord server. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.